Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to create a backup of your world in Minecraft. So really quick before the video starts, over 99% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you're part of that 99%, please consider subscribing. It's completely free. And when you do subscribe, make sure you click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Anyway, let's get started. So as you can see, I have Minecraft open here. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new world. So I've gone ahead and created a world and I just built a little tower out of dirt, just to show you that I've made a change to the world. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a backup. So I'm going to click on the world, I'm going to go to edit and make backup. And as you can see, it says backed up new world. And now in order to access the backup, I'm going to click on the world again, go to edit and go to open backups folder. Here you can see I have the backup world file right here. So I'm just going to move this to my desktop really quick so that we can use it later. But before I open that world, I'm going to go back into this world and I'm going to get rid of that dirt tower. So now you can see I have gotten rid of the dirt tower. There's no more dirt tower in the world that is in the game right now. But let's say that was a mistake and I actually want to get it back. So obviously I could just build the dirt tower back again. But if this was a larger scale thing, say it was like a big building that you built and somehow it got destroyed and you want to get it back and you have a backup, this is how you bring the backup back into the game. So what you do is you find the backup file, and like what I did, and I just dragged it on my desktop, and you're going to open it. You're going to open the folder and you're going to click extract all and extract. Now you can see it's extracted. I'm just going to rename it so it's clear. I'm just going to say backup new world and enter. And then now what I'm going to do is actually move it into the game files. So I'm going to do Command X and just cut the folder. And then you're going to type in %appdata% and go to this folder. And here you're going to go to .minecraft and saves. And this is the new world that I had originally, and this is the backup. So I'm going to paste the backup here. So I have these two worlds here. Now if I go back to my game, you can see I have this world right here. Both of them say new world, but if you look at this line right here, this says new world and this one says backup new world. So if I open this one, it's just going to have no dirt tower. But if I open this one right here, as you can see, it does have the dirt tower. So yeah, that's just a simple example. Obviously it will work for bigger buildings. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an example of how to do that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.